Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really cool, it's a 2011 Toyota. It's the FJ Cruiser with a TRD off-road package. And they only made a limited number of these. And this one's extra special because it's got some really nice upgrades on it. But I just wanted to show you that it does run real nice. I'm going to go ahead and put it in park. It starts out with these nice billet transfer case and shifter knobs. Comes with a JBL factory sound system. It's got 69,389 miles. It's a non-smoker. Very clean. Very clean interior. It's really a nice rig. We'll get back where you can actually see it. But TRD is Toyota's racing division. They do Bilstein shocks, catback exhaust. There's a host of extras that comes with that package. This one's got some 35-inch open country tires. And the differentials have been re-geared to 456, and that basically puts you back to stock with these 35-inch tires. The paint is in excellent shape. It's got nice metal steps with a little tread plate on them to get in and out. It's got a roof rack. And it's really in excellent shape. It's got a beautiful bumper. It's heavy duty road armor bumper. The winch has synthetic rope. And it's an XRC10 winch by Smittybilt. Really beautiful rig. And the catback exhaust has a nice little rumble. It's certainly not loud. I'm kind of losing focus here, getting too close. And I've got it running right now. Nice spare tire. It's got a backup camera. The lens is right here. Inside the rear, it's got a TRD tread plate mat. The seats fold down and they're hard backed and they have tie down points. It's your JBL subwoofer system. And there's your luggage rack up top, and it does have a rear window defroster. And this rear glass is also designed to open up, but with the larger spare tire, doesn't work that way. You can see the door panels are very clean. It's got the TRD plaque on the dash. Toyota's famous Land Cruiser little tilt meter, of course air conditioning and all the amenities, but it really drives nice. And a lot of times you put big tires on something and you lose a lot of power. Well, this one with the re-geared differentials, it drives just like it would if it had the smaller tires. The same kind of ratio and same drivability, and it'll pull the overdrive just like you want it to. But it's a good looking rig. We're going to have more information on our site. The wheels are moto metal and they got nice red rings on the inside, which matches the TRD decals on the side. And some of you may not know, these doors open. It's kind of a double, kind of like an extended cab. So you can get your little ones in the back. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.